All right, what's going on, everyone? Jared Leon here with Pack-a-Punch Traders. Just want to make a quick trade recap from today. Just one trade, PXMD. Here's the daily chart. You can see it's a recent IPO, and had a nice little squeeze that day one up to the mid tens before fading for a few days. You can see this day here had the nice gap up and finished red. Traded a lot of volume there, and we faded for a few days. And we really held those lows of the 280s. And this is not something I really had on watch, but it was on my scans this morning, and saw it a little bit late. So I missed all this morning action here. Really nice high of day break, open price VWAP reclaim, and it squeezed right up to pre-market highs, or sorry, after hours highs from yesterday. And I saw it kind of chopping around in here. I thought it could be a really nice high of day break to run to either the mid fives or up around 6. I was really wanting it to test 6, and but it just didn't have quite enough volume today. But you can see, kind of got some resistance here. High 5s, around 6. So I thought we can get that high of day breakthrough. 430s, 440, to get up to the mid fives, $6 area. So at first, I was watching this, spotted it right around in here, and ended up taking some small size, added when it was trying to break through high of day, and it did for a second, but then it was just a fake out. A lot of selling right there, and we had a nice little fade right back down. So I ended up cutting it here at 225. Had an average of around 435, 436, and so I cut it and saw that it was holding. And when I saw this really start to hold, I decided to get my shares back, and I got my shares in at 227, right around here, and just was patient. This was looking like it was creating a little higher low here. We had a little burst in volume, a little perk in volume compared to what it was doing during this consolidation period. And all of a sudden, some more volume started to come in. We started to really rip through that high of day. And it wasn't like a crazy, 2 second or 2 minute spike where it went from high of day from the mid 4s all the way up to 5. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just about 7 minutes. So not too bad. But really nice volume there compared to the morning. Really nice key level high of day, which are, all those shorts are going to be using that high of day as their risk level, because it lines up with yesterday's after hours highs. And once it ripped through that, shorts are getting squeezed. They got to cut their losses. You got momentum buyers pushing this higher, and I basically sold about half into the mid 470s, and the rest at 497 was my best sell. So not too bad. Best sell I think was about 15%, and then it held up really well and had a nice another little push up to the mid 4s. So it got to basically where I wanted it to. I'm still happy with my sell. I can't get greedy. I'm going to take that 15% every day. So really nice play there, and really just, I'm just looking for the high of day break. It was just a solid first green day / kind of bounce day. The momentum was in my side, failing to break down. It's a low float, low market cap. In the morning when I saw this, I knew it was trading enough volume to where I knew it was going to start rotating the float. And I was just really, this first entry was just a little premature. Need to be a little bit more patient and wait for this to really form and develop, and then take advantage of it like I did. I'm glad I got my shares back and was able to capture this move here. So basically, the whole thought process of the trade was, it's a recent IPO. The only real resistance I see is this day here when it traded all this volume. So I thought mid 5s, around 6, that's where we can get up to. I just saw that momentum shift, Didn't catch it first thing in the morning, but I'm just looking for that, that big first green day. Low float, low market cap. If you're not playing it here in the morning, just be patient. Let this fail to break down. Let it prove that it wants to, have another leg higher. Once it starts getting real tight in here, you get a little perk in volume. We start coming back up and start testing that high of day. I thought about adding here when it was breaking through high of day and getting my average up, but just decided to sit tight and I was fine with the shares that I had. Didn't want to get too aggressive with it, and then just sell into strength. I did sell a little too early. Did have another leg up. Got to the mid fives where I thought I can get to, but hey, 10-15%. I'm gonna take that every single day. Won't complain. So solid, day to start the solid day to start the week. And yeah, just got to keep this going into tomorrow. Got to keep this energy and this momentum going. Not looking to force anything. There was a couple other trades that today that I could have taken, but just took the one, focused on the one, traded it, to the best of my ability, and calling it a day. So I think it was green. I don't know. I took a $30 loss on it in the morning, and then I made about $73 on it. Ended up green on the day, so could have been about $100 win, but you can't. You're not going to win on it all the time. You're not going to win every single trade. I was fine with taking the small loss on it and then taking it again when I saw it proving to me that it wanted to have that another leg up. So I know I'm starting to ramble a little bit now, but that was basically it. Trying to keep it simple. If anyone has any questions or anything, on my thought process or why I traded this or whatnot, just leave a comment. And and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll see if we can have another great day. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you have any questions, just throw it in the comments. I hope this made sense, and it's clear on why I was buying it where I did. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and we'll catch you guys later.